Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're talking about this latest Yoruba movie titled Edun, which means my pain. And guys, this movie is one of those movies that makes you sit down and ask yourself, what will I do in this person's position? And also this movie will make you ask yourself, at what point does a mother's desire for grandchildren become too much? So basically the story revolves around a mother who has only one son, and because she wants to have plenty grandchildren, she put a lot of expectations on her son and his wife. So right now, personally, I understand wanting to have grandchildren. That is absolutely every mother's dream. But the problem starts when that desire becomes pressure. And that is where the movie really caught my attention. The mother wasn't just patiently waiting for things to happen naturally. She became so focused on having grandchildren that it began to affect the relationship between her son and his wife. And yes, one thing I really like about this movie is the way it brings out the issue most African family goes through, like the family pressure and expectation in every African home. Yes, and sometimes parents don't realize that some things that they consider small can actually become a huge burden on their children. And when it comes to marriage, everybody has an opinion. I'm rating this movie a solid 8 out of 10. This movie is interesting. The storyline is relatable, the message is strong, and there are definitely moments that will make you emotional and also make you question some of the characters' decisions. And also, I would love to hear from you guys too. What do you think about this movie? Do you think parents should put pressure on their married children to have children, or should they completely stay out of it and allow the couple to decide for themselves? Let me know your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more latest and amazing Yoruba movie reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.